Learning English is easier than you think. Just 10 minutes a day of simple practice makes a big difference. Today, we'll learn few useful shopping phrases. Let's repeat together. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Is there a discount? Is there a discount? Is there a discount? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. It's too small. It's too small. It's too small. I'm just looking. Thank you. I'm just looking. Thank you. I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? Is it on sale? Is it on sale? Is it on sale? Can I return this? Can I return this? Can I return this? Do you have a receipt? Do you have a receipt? Do you have a receipt? Where's the cashier? Where's the cashier? Where's the cashier? I would like a refund. I would like a refund. I would like a refund. Can you gift wrap this? Can you gift wrap this? Can you gift wrap this? Is there a warranty? Is there a warranty? Is there a warranty? Where can I find electronics? Where can I find electronics? Where can I find electronics? I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. Do you sell souvenirs? Do you sell souvenirs? Do you sell souvenirs? Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Can you lower the price? Can you lower the price? Can you lower the price? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Where is the toy section? Where is the toy section? Where is the toy section? Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? Is there a store map? Is there a store map? Is there a store map? Where is customer service? Where is customer service? Where is customer service? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. Are there any promotions? Are there any promotions? Are there any promotions? Can you order it for me? Can you order it for me? Can you order it for me? When will it arrive? When will it arrive? When will it arrive? Have a great day. Excellent job today. 10 minutes a day can transform your English little by little. Keep practicing with me and don't forget to subscribe to 10 Minute English.